I'm in my daughter's room, reorganized her closet, which is right behind me here. Doesn't look like a conventional closet, I get it. And for that reason, we needed an unconventional solution to her being able to reach the hanging items toward the top of the closet. I did a ton of research into a ladder or a step stool that would look aesthetically decent in her room and also be tall enough for her to climb up. I wanted at least 4 steps. I wanted it to store away easy, and I wanted it to have this upper handle here so that she can hold on to it when she's reaching her top items. So this is what I ended up with. I absolutely love it. These are like kind of rectangular in shape. I think that just gives them a nice, sleek, modern feel. This is the champagne gold. It's a little bit darker than I expected. It's almost more like an antiqued bronze, only not antiqued. This bar up here is great to grab onto. All of these plastic parts here are a very solid plastic that don't feel like they're going to fall apart on me. Each of the steps here has this piece here to hold these into place. This is super solid, also very lightweight because it is made of high-grade aluminum. So check out the inner workings of this guy. The feet are also stabilizing here on the bottom, and folding this up is such a cinch. My daughter can do it. Just lift it, and look at that. Look at how thin and light this is. So easy. I can either just put it right here for her, or we can also slide it into the side of her closet because it is that narrow. Notice I did that one-handed. I can also open it one-handed, just like this. One hand, no big deal. And then she can climb up here and grab whatever she needs. I love it.